Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, class is in session. And Vybz Kartel, I teach. Now, this is what we mean when we say doing the numbers. This is what we mean when we say a hit single, viewers and subscribers. It is official. It is on the official page. Now, it states, since Cute Rider, the reggaeton mix, was released, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has gained over 354,000 new fans, viewers and subscribers. And this figure is divided respectfully into album streams, which are at 198,000. I will now just talk for this album in specific, of which Cute Rider is featured on. That is the Off, Dance and Divas. And speaking of that, viewers and subscribers, Mr. Billboard make some reports. I don't like what I say. Gaza Nation, grab the album. I'm not good enough to put down, but I don't know the settings. Now, viewers and subscribers, also 10,000 new followers based on just the reaction of that track. I will say we are going on different social media platforms currently. We see right now Gaza lock TikTok and have the ladies are wind up like car window, viewers and subscribers. Monthly listeners up 146,000 since the release of this track in particular. Now this is what I mean when we say drop a hit track. Some man feel like someone say drop a hit song, it means it's a trending track right here on this platform. No, that's just one facet of a song being a hot track. It might be trending for different reactions. People might have looked on the track just for discriminate, or might them say, yo, the song never mix, and everybody go check out if a true. The song trending don't necessarily mean say people like the song. I'm just saying. Another thing is, not because the song is trending means that people are buying that track in particular. And how we know this for a fact? If them boast about trending, don't you think that if the song was being sold and then that do the numbers, you don't think them would have post that too? The fact that them now post it is because there are nothing there to post. There is nothing there to post. There is no data where them could have point to and say, alright, we sell even 10 copy. Them can't even say we sell 100 copy. Nothing. That's why they don't really make mention of these numbers. When them talk about numbers, mostly views. Primarily views. But viewers and subscribers, we are saying if them are talk about social media and them are talk about the impact of a song on social media, then see we represent them with the numbers. We have the facts. While them dealing speculation, we have the facts, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. Exciting moment in a dancehall music history. And why I say dancehall music history, reggaeton is a style of music founded by Jamaicans. So the fact that even a track drop a dancehall track, and even though it is considered reggaeton and not the song itself, the genre of music, even though them call it reggaeton, and it's considered unique to that particular side of the world, a dancehall, I repeat, a dancehall music is the primary influence for that genre of music, dancehall and hip-hop. Just a little bit of reggae to get the flavor. Know what I mean? But primarily dancehall music and the hip-hop sound that drive the reggaeton sound at this point in time. So for the teacher drop a track like this, viewers and subscribers, at this point in time, is an historic moment. because these genres of music are now emerging as world sounds. The vibe, the dancing vibe, the energy, as I notice, majority of the ladies, all ages, who see them a dance and a wall of joy to Cute Rider. And I gotta point out this too, and not everybody a dance provocatively. Some people just a dance and a wall of joy. I celebrate the fact that this song is breaking barriers. Hit single, platinum track. Hit single, platinum track. May I state it from now? Yeah, you heard it here. You heard it here. Fever Go Gold. On its way to going platinum. This is a platinum track. I hear it. I see the reaction. I know the fans have seen the reaction too. So when we present numbers like this, I know say some fans that say, yeah man, me that play it. I presumed because to the reaction of the song alone, and media and in the streets, because Vybz Kartel music are still one of the only artists where you can stand up on the streets and hear multiple vehicles pass and play music at a certain volume. Because people can listen to the music and them carrying and read it. You know? Hear what them say. Or hear what them listen to. But Vybz Kartel's music goes on subscribers. You hear one car pass a play, a next car. You don't regularly see that or hear that with other artists. There's a point that out. The song is doing extremely well. As I said, Billboard did put out a report, or there was, someone spotted the charts and make a screenshot of it, and it was being discussed in certain circles. You know that go. But as I said, I'm not going nothing to put on, but grab the album. For all of those who have not grabbed the album yet, go grab the album. Yes, I implore you to go grab the album. Viewers and subscribers, at this moment in time, we can say this. We, as the people there know when the song is released, when the album rather was released, we can say this. We were here during the moment when this groundbreaking album dropped. So for all who didn't play their part, you know what I mean? And for all of those who did play their part, because we now focus on the people who, you know what I mean? We don't deserve the focus. Big up Gaza Nation, the ones who support the movement, you know what I mean? Continuously, not just now. You have some fans that feel like say, yo, when I start on the journey yesterday. No, you have people who are listening to teacher from them are youth. You have people listening to teacher from the teacher arrive on dancehall scene. And you have fans who are listening to teacher before the wider world knew of Vybz Kartel. They have some fans who are listening to Vybz Kartel from Adi Bantan days, because the teacher not drop farm. The teacher has evolved, but the teacher not drop farm. The style has now been refined. The teacher know exactly what to say, when to say it, and what kind of beat for authorized producers to use on the verses. That a growth in a music. Very few artists have shown growth in a music. Most of them fall with one style and one cadence, and as them career rose to prominence and declined to be nobody, at the same flow and same cadence them I use. Nothing no change. And some people say change as if changes, are gonna ruin them career. No, it is not say changes, but evolution of sound. If you're forward in the game, knowing or having limited knowledge of the music industry and how to make hit songs, after making some hit songs and being in the industry for a number of years, then now you should have at least mentally evolved with your understanding of music. So even the beat where you select your song them for, the lyrical content, the type of song you put out, when you drop your song them, you're supposed to have an increase of knowledge where those things are concerned. So people supposed to show growth in a lyrical content, because the basis of song is either, let's say you don't write your own music, but delivery. That means you're supposed to work on delivery. You're supposed to grow in how you pronounce words or you project your voice. If you write your own music and do all of that, then we're supposed to can see the growth in the song them, lyrical content, the vocabulary, the cadence, not just the flow. I will not say that to the other artists. So we have to big up the artists them who say I do it. Big up Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. Instrumental in not just a few dancehall artists' career, but the movement of the genre itself. Vybz is the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. Yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, well, I like the reason, I like the point of view first and foremost. Then click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Put it on all. This is how you'll be notified of all fresh content that's not fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Like icon, let drop a like on the blog, share icon, close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7 as I'm pointing out. Yeah man, now move settings fam. Until the reason again, you know sentiments, viewers and subscribers. Live, love and prosper.